front.
Busy pa siya.
No hay nada que temer, es volar lejos sin miedo. No hay nada que perder, un destino soñar, recuerdos dibujar y reír y bailar, mil historias contar, con un beso volar, ver tus ojos brillar, ven conmigo. Son la vida no puede esperar en un mundo cambiante. Mi motivo en la vida yo quiero encontrar un destino soñar, recuerdos dibujar y reír y bailar, mil historias contar, con un beso volar, ver tus ojos brillar, ven conmigo.
Go to the front. Si Lola muna o Lola? Si Lola. Si Lola hindi na kami. Si Lola. Servisyo na bayan yan. Salamat.
gate number 8. Once again, security remaining guests on AirAsia Flight Z2782 bound for Manila. Ready boarding flight number gate number 8. Thank you for waiting all the remaining guests on Cebu Pacific Airlines 5J205. Bound for Cagayan de Oro, can board your flight on gate number 5. Once again, all remaining guests on Cebu Pacific Airlines 5J205. Bound for Cagayan de Oro, can board your flight now on gate number 5. Calling attention of following Philippine Airlines passengers. Miss Veronica Aconia, Josephus Jimenez,
Take a picture. Bigay mo sa kanya.
gate number 10.
Mayor, Henry Yang. Si Henry Yang. So yung sinasabi ko kanina, nagkita kami sa elevator.
Good luck sa 2022.
Thank you for raising us aboard at Philippine Airlines. Ang flight PR185 bound for Manila. Our passengers, that there's a D and an E. That there's a D and an E. Kindly board now for gate number 10. We are calling the attention of Philippine Airlines passengers, Mr. Serwin Glorioso, Mr. Serwin Glorioso, Mr. Joseph Jimenez, Mr. Joseph
Breakfast pa rin.
Ms. Veronica Aconia, Ms. Veronica Aconia, and Mr. Reynald Bocala. Mr. Reynald Bocala, kindly approach us at gate number 10 counter. Once again, Mr. Reynald Bocala, Mr. Serwin Glorioso, Mr. Joseph Jimenez, and Ms. Veronica Aconia, kindly approach us at gate number 10 counter.
Once again, the last remaining guests on AirAsia Flight C2782.
Once again, last five remaining guests to the AirAsia Flight Z2782 for Manila. Z2782 for Manila, ferry boarded right now for gate number 8.
Buhay mo tanan. Buhay mo tanan.
Thank you, Mayor.